Here we have a Samsung LED display. It is a presentation screen with an HDMI input and it is able to play video from a USB stick. It's exactly the same display as is used in monitors and televisions, so if your monitor or television is having the same problem, this video is for you. When we turn it on, it has a very uneven and dim display, so chances are the LED strips are damaged. Let's replace them and make this display shine bright again. First, remove the plastic back cover. To remove the bezel, we need to turn it front side up, so I stuck a few foam pads to it to prevent damaging the electronics. Remove the bezel. Turn it round again so we can remove the metal casing with the LED strips while leaving the fragile screen on the table. In that way we don't need to lift off the fragile LCD panel and we prevent dust getting between the layers of the screen. When we apply power to the LEDs, we clearly see that only a few are lighting up. So the problem was definitely the LED strips. They are not very expensive, so we order new ones. There they are, within a week from China. Amazing. Now remove the old strips and insert the new. Now let's put the back of the TV back on the LCD panel. Reattach the bezel. Replace the plastic back cover. And there we go, a beautiful display saved from the scrap heap. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and press the join button to join my repair community. I hope you will join me in the next video. Bye then!